This is question number 9 on QZ6 for chapter 5. After examining the various personal loan rates available to you, you'll find that you can borrow funds from a finance company at an APR of 8% compounded annually, or from a bank at an APR of 9% compounded semi-annually. Which alternative is more attractive? So basically, I think this question is kind of standard, except that we are borrowing instead of investing. So that means the lower the interest rate, the better for us. So when it comes to which one is more attractive, then that's what we should keep in mind. And then the first one is first alternative is APR of 8% compounded annually. So that means this is already the effective annual rate, right? Because that's compounded annual rate already. So part A, if you borrow $100 from a finance company at an APR of 8% compounded annually for 1 year, how much do you need to pay off the loan? So I guess this is very easy to calculate, right? It's 100 multiplied by 1 plus the APR, which is also the EAR, effective annual rate. So that obviously is 108. So round to the nearest cent. So we don't have any cent here, so this is fine. Part B, if you borrow $100 from a bank at an APR of 9% compounded semi-annually for 1 year, how much do you need to pay off the loan? So now we do need to worry about the compounding periods. And then I think the step to figure out the steps we need to follow to figure out the answer is first to get EAR. Right? EAR is the effective annual rate, or EAR is also called APY, right? Annual percentage yield. And that equals to 1 plus quoted rate. Quoted rate is the APR, right? Divided by M. M is the number of compounding periods within a year. So here it's semi-annual compounding. So we have 2, M equals to 2 in this case. And then we can use this formula to figure out the APY. And after that, we can just multiply $100 by 1 plus the APY, and to figure out how much do you need to pay off the loan. So I guess I use this is the earlier, I just did this. I use Excel as my calculator to figure out the answer. First, let me, as I said, APY calculation. That equals 1 plus the interest rate. Interest rate, I believe that's 9%. 9%. And then divided by 2, right? That's the number of compounding periods within a year, and then raised to the power of 2, and then minus 1. So that's basically the APY. And if we want to make this look probably a little bit user-friendly, just change the format to percentage, and you can keep whatever number of decimal places. This is not the final answer yet, right? So this is just on appearance what this looks like. But in terms of the calculations, Excel will still use the precise value for this variable as the input. So how much money do we need to pay off loan amount, right? That's gonna be 100 times 1 plus this APY. So then now we need to worry about the rounding, right? Rounding, just change the format, and then just a number and keep to 2 decimal places, because if you go back and check, it's asking us to round to the nearest cent. So that's what we did. Just copy the number back. And based on the findings in parts A and B, which alternative is more attractive? Obviously, it's A, right? Because it's A is from the finance company, right? Because that gives us a lower APY. Hence, we need to pay back the loan in a less amount. So that's gonna be A, and check my answer.